name's Haugen, and I started racing when my dad bought me a junior one. I'm racing a Razor now that you see. I've been racing for like 2 to 3 years now. I'm about to be 13 in November. What I like most about racing is about battling people and trying to get up to those podium spots. Yeah, I like the challenges because I want to conquer them and get over them and probably must be the best one out there. Most importantly is just getting the corners down and try not to flip. And when you're racing, you can't really go that fast around corners or else you'll top over. I feel pretty good about getting 3rd place because Callie and me were battling pretty good. And she messed up on corner 3 and I took it from her, and last lap I won 3rd place. In the future, I want to race a Pro Light and a Pro 2, Pro 4 in the National Series. When you're small, you can do some big stuff, and when you're big, you can still do big stuff, but most importantly is just to have fun